Crystal dreams float above in a cafe filled with love. Bubbles burst with glitter light, shimmering in the night. Coffee sips and gentle smiles. We'll be here for a while. Tiny bubbles in my tea, just you and me happily. Crystal cafe and bubbles in the air. Every moment feels so rare. Sip the magic, life's a dance. In this bubble we